We'll wait for the recording to start. This call is now being recorded. Okay, good morning once again, children. Good morning, boys.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay, so today we are going to do an exercise on vocabulary enhancement. Vocabulary enhancement means you have to enrich your knowledge. You have to become rich in knowledge of words. You have to become. You should know as many words as possible. So here I am going to teach you other words for happy. Okay, so every time you say that I'm very happy I won the football match, I'm very happy that I won the cricket match, or I'm happy to see my friend, or you say that I'm happy to go out for a ride with my dad. So we always use happy, happy, happy. We don't use any other word except happy, isn't it? Everybody is so used to it. Not only you children, we also are used to using the word happy, but we have to learn new English words to improve our English. Okay, so to improve that, we today I have given you 10 words of happy. Instead of happy you can use these words. Okay, so the first word is contented. Now, let me tell you the meaning of contented. Okay, contented means that when you are satisfied. Okay, when you are happy and when you are satisfied. For example, your teacher gives you homework, and when you have completed it, you feel contented. Okay, so instead of contented, you can say I'm happy. Instead of happy, you can say I'm contented. I completed my homework. Okay, I completed my notes. So when you use this word contented, it means you are expressing happiness or satisfaction. Okay, one second, children. अरे यार मैं having कैसी नहीं
What happened?
No, beta, that is not your issue. It was an issue on recording. Okay, chalo. So,
Okay, ma'am.
contented means when you are happy. Contented also means when you are very hungry and then you have a nice lunch or dinner, or you have proper meals and you are now, full now. You don't want to have anything extra. You say, I'm contented today. I had a very good lunch. I'm contented. Okay. Sometimes your expression shows that you are very contented. Okay. Suppose there are lots of chocolates. Your mother gives you chocolates, but you've had one and you're happy. I don't want to have any more. That means you are contented. Okay. So you're contented with something, that is you're happy and you're satisfied. Okay. So here, mm, I'm first going to read and then ask you all to read. Okay. Contented, it meaning is meaning feeling or expressing happiness or satisfaction. I have already explained the meaning before, so we'll go to the example. Example: a contented smile crossed my face. Sorry, contented smile crossed her face when she heard that she was selected for the first round. Now, here the example says that there was a competition, and before that, there are few rounds: first round, second round, semi final round, final round. So, this girl got selected for the final round. So, she was contented, she was happy. So, you don't say every time, I'm happy that I'm selected for the final round. You can say, I'm contented, I'm selected for the final round because she's worked hard to reach there. Okay, so she's contented that she's been selected for the final round. Another example is two glasses of juice contented him. That means, like, suppose somebody's come to your house and is feeling hungry, but your lunch is not ready. So, what do you say? Okay, in the meantime, you have some juice. So, he drank two glasses of juice and he was contented, means full. He was satisfied. So, he's saying that I'm contented. So, the two glasses of juice contented him. Now, the third example is we must not be content with a small thing. Now, here it is not contented, means not satisfied. So, here we are talking about when we get small, when we achieve small success, like two friends are racing and one of you win. So, that is a small event, that not everybody is seeing and everybody is bothered also. This is just amongst friends. So, it is something very small. It is not a big success, it is a small success. So, you should not be happy with these small successes. Like every day you have a race with a friend and you win. That doesn't mean you are always going to win. Okay, and don't be contented with such small successes. You have a class test of 10 marks and you get 8 marks. You're contented. Okay, but these are all small successes. But if you pass in your finals with full marks, or you pass in your 10th exam, board exam, or 12th exam with very good marks with flying colors, then what happens? That is a big success. So you should be happy with big successes, not small successes. Okay. Sometimes you'll play na, तो you say na, देखो ना मैंने ball डाला. That's why he was out. So you are showing your ego as you are showing your satisfaction also, but this is not to be considered. Actually, you should only see where you are getting big success. Okay. Then, uh, from a stowing stray dog, it was transformed into a contented house cat. તારે છે ને તારે છે ને Okay. So from a straying means that means here it means you know that on the road you see stray dogs. Do you all see stray dogs on the road?
Yes.
Hmm. Or a stray cat on the road. But suppose you take that stray
Yes.
dog or a cat at home and look after it. Hmm? The cat will feel very contented, or the dog will feel very contented because it has got a shelter. Okay, otherwise it is abandoned on the road. Nobody's to look after. But when it gets a house to look after, or somebody to look after, it is a contented, like it is a contented or a contented dog or a cat or whatever. So contented means feeling satisfied, expressing happiness. Okay. Now I want one of you all to please volunteer to read these sentences. Anyone willing to read the sentences?
Yes, ma'am.
I read.
Okay,
No,
you read.
the boy who
Sahil,
said first,
करना है तो
yes.
कर ले Sunraj. हेलो
Kunraj,
साहिल
you
करना है
start.
तो कर ले.
Kunraj, you start. The next time I'll give to the other boy. Okay.
Okay. Sahil read.
Okay. Other
Okay.
words for using happy. Contented, meaning feeling or expressing happiness or satisfaction. Example: a contented smile crossed her face when she heard that she was selected from the final round. Example: two glasses of juice contented me. We must not be contented with small success. Example: from a strong stowing stray, it was transformed into a contented house cat.
Okay. So now instead of happy, you're going to also use the word contented. Okay. So I want one sentence. At least giving me a new sentence with contented, not the same sentence. Can anyone give me
I
one
am
sentence with?
contented because I got a new phone.
Oh, yeah, very good. I'm contented because I got a new phone. This phone that you wanted to buy. Yes, very good, very good. So this is how you're going to use contented in your daily conversation. Okay. Now we move on to the next one.
Yes.
Let me explain, then I'll call somebody to read. Now your chance is over, so other one will read. But first, let me explain. Now, cheerful. Cheerful
Sunrise
means
read.
first. Let me finish
Okay.
explaining better. Cheerful meaning noticeably happy and optimistic, causing happiness by its nature and appearance. Cheerful means, see, when you are, enjoying, it shows on your face. You are
Yes.
smiling, you are happy. Your appearance, shows that you are very happy. You're optimistic. Optimistic means सब कुछ negative नहीं लेना. You have to be very optimistic. Okay, so somebody says something to you, oh, you don't bother. You're optimistic. चलो ऐसा तो होता ही है. Don't bother. ओके सो यू आर ऑप्टिमिस्टिक ओके अगर फिर कुछ आपको एग्जाम है या फिर मैच है या कुछ भी then what happens you feel optimistic we will win you don't get scared अरे क्या होगा what will happen that team is stronger than us what if we lose all these are negative thoughts we have to think positive so a person who is positive is a cheerful person is a happy person so every time okay let's see we'll get a chance we will win we know I'm sure we're going to win. Be positive. Or I'm sure I'm going to get maximum marks in the exam. So you have to be positive with what you want, like in the life. Okay. So that is the meaning of cheerful. So
Yes.
your face also live with smiling, and I know all our boys are very cheerful. Your seventh standard boys are very cheerful. I love them. They're very nice.
Yes.
Then he is a cheerful boy. So what do you mean by cheerful boy? Means he is a very friendly, very
Good.
his
Yes.
smile is bright and he is very lively.
Happy boy.
Sunrise is
Huh?
also cheerful.
Huh, beta?
Hey,
Yes,
he
beta.
says Sandraj is also cheerful.
Yes, everybody, all the boys in your class are
Sunrise is a
cheerful.
cheerful boy.
Sahil
Mm.
is a cheerful boy.
So all the boys are cheerful. Okay. Mm. Now, now, see the next one is the flowers made her feel cheerful. So there are flowers that make you look so cheerful. Okay, like beautiful flowers. We go to a garden full of flowers, and what the first thing comes to your face is a smile because you see such colorful flowers, such good aroma they send. Like they have the good smell, so it makes you cheerful. It makes you happy. So you don't say the flowers made her feel happy. You can even say the flowers made her feel cheerful, or he is
Yes.
a cheerful boy. Instead of he is a happy boy, he's a cheerful boy. Okay, so this
Yes.
is another way of expressing. The third way is the dark, starry night was followed by a bright, cheerful morning. So every evening and at night it becomes dark, isn't it? It becomes dark in the evening. But when you wake up early in the morning, you're cheerful because the sunlight is bright, the morning is bright. That's why we say a cheerful morning. Okay, a happy morning, a cheerful morning. Okay, the next example is she poured a cup of coffee and delivered to him with a smile, cheerful smile. So,
मैम हम रोज
here,
संडे को बोलते हैं
क्या बोलते हैं बेटा?
cheerful morning.
Yes, every Sunday also and every day also. When you wake up and when the sun is up, you can say cheerful morning. Okay. So he poured a cup of coffee and delivered him with a cheerful smile. So when some guests come to your house or your friends come to your house and you serve him something, whether it is ice cream or whether it is coffee or tea or biscuits, and you bring it in a tray, you bring with a cheerful face that you are sharing with your friend, and
Yes.
it is your hospitalization. That is, you are very hospitable. That is, you are very you know how to look after guests. So
Hmm.
here you always give them a smile and offer them something. Will you make a face and give somebody something to somebody? No. You will not make a glum face and give somebody. Okay, you'll always make a smile. You'll show a smile and then you can pour the cup of coffee and deliver to the person. So this is another word we learned. So first was contented. The second one was cheerful. Okay. So he's a cheerful boy. The flowers made her feel cheerful. The dark, starry night was followed by a bright, cheerful morning. She poured a cup of coffee and delivered to him with a cheerful smile. So I want one of you to please give me an example with cheerful. Give me an example with cheerful.
In our class, all are cheerful.
Yes, in our class, all the boys are cheerful. Anybody else would like to try? Anybody else would like to try a sentence with cheerful?
The small children are so cheerful.
Yes, the small children look so cheerful. Their faces are smiling. They are so innocent.
Yes,
So
cute.
cute. Yes, yes. So now, who's the boy who's going to read these sentences? Sunraj
I,
is already.
Sandraj.
So who read
Nay,
previous?
Sahil.
Sahil has to read. Okay, Sahil, you read
No,
better.
ma'am, Sunrise already.
Nay.
I first read that one.
Okay, Sahil is
Now
over.
you.
Now, okay, better. Let Sunraj read then, better.
Okay, ma'am. I read.
Hmm.
Where? Oh. Example. He is a cheerful boy. The flower made her feel cheerful. The dark, starry night was followed by a bright, cheerful morning. She
Hmm.
poured a cup of coffee and delivered to him with a cheerful smile.
Hmm. 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 Very good. So today, which is the first word we learned? Which is the first word we learned?
Happy.
First one is contented.
We learned
Completed.
Contented. Okay. Then, and what is the second word?
The
Which is the
flower
second?
made her feel cheerful.
Yes. So yes, what I'm trying to say is one word we learned was contented, one word we learned was cheerful.
Yes.
Okay. Now we'll move on to the third and I'll explain the third one. Merry. Now we say merry. Okay. Merry means again cheerful and lively. You would have seen, during Christmas time, the Christians, they laugh, they dance, and they enjoy. So they make merry during Christmas. That is, they're
Yes.
happy and they enjoy during Christmas. Okay. Suppose you are very happy also. You whistle. You whistle by yourself. You're happy, very contented. You happily whistle and move about. So that is a sign that you are a merry person. You are a happy person. Okay. Then when you greet, suppose during Eid or Diwali, you greet everybody, isn't it? Okay. So you all also, that greeting is called merry greetings. Okay. Then again, he ended his speech with a merry quip. Now, quip means a witty remark. Witty remark means intelligent remark, a funny remark. Okay. Like when you hear somebody saying a speech, sometimes the speaker will end the speech with a small, intelligent but humorous joke. Okay. He will end the speech with a humorous joke or a witty joke. Witty means intelligent joke. Okay, so here the sentences he ended his speech with a merry quip. Quip means a witty remark, an intelligent remark. Okay, so now you all understood the meaning of merry. See, there were many merry greetings all around. That is, when there is a festival or a function, everybody greets each other. So we say there were very merry greetings all around. Instead of saying there were happy greetings, we can even say there were merry greetings all around. And he marched off whistling a tune, merry tune. That is, he walked away, but he was whistling because he was very happy and he was whistling a merry tune.
Yes.
You know how to whistle. All of you know how to whistle, no? So like that. Then
Yeah.
don't want to, no, don't whistle now. So all the
Yeah.
Christians make merry at Christmas. That is, I've already explained that during Christmas they all make merry. That they just
Always say
enjoy.
Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. Yes.
Uh-huh. So instead of Happy Christmas, we say Merry Christmas.
Yeah.
And he ended his speech with a merry quip. मीन्स लास्ट में कुछ ऐसा
Yes.
बोल दिया कि सबको हंसी आ गई या फिर कुछ
Ah.
इंटेलिजेंट लगा. ओके. सो नाउ हु इज गोइंग टू रीड दिस बेटा?
साहिल ने और मैंने तो रीड कर लिया.
ओके, हु इज गोइंग टू रीड नाउ? बॉयज, Sahil and Sanraj is over. Now who else beta is going to read?
कासिम.
Yes.
कासिम.
Ma'am, may I read?
Yes, what's your
Ma'am, may
name
I
please?
read?
कासिम रजा.
Yes, Kasim read
Qasim
beta.
Raza Lakhani.
Kasim read beta.
Merry, meaning cheerful and lively.
Lively, beta
Example,
lively.
there were merry greetings all around. Example, he marched off whistling a merry tune. Example, all the Christmas make merry at Christmas.
Yes, ma'am.
Example,
Christians make beta.
he ended his speech with a merry quip,
Quick.
a witty
Quip.
Yes.
remark.
Kasim, ma'am said right.
Okay, okay, okay. So we learned Mary, and nobody's giving me example with Mary. I want one example with Mary.
Mary.
Hmm.
Mary.
Hmm. I want one example with Mary. A sentence with Mary.
And what was the meaning of Mary?
Cheerful and lively. Lively.
Huh. Hmm.
Uh,
मैम मैं बोलूँ एग्जाम्पल
नहीं.
मैम कैन आई से एग्जाम्पल
No.
Yes, beta. I'm waiting for you.
right now.
मेरी क्रिसमस टू यू ही laughed at that and his laugh was merry and frank. From a campfire 100 fat spaces off came a sound of general merry laughter.
Hey,
मैम
hey, what
समझ
are
में
you
नहीं
doing?
आया.
One
मैम
second.
ये कहीं पे से रीड कर रहा है, he is doing cheating.
No, he's reading from the Google, right?
Yeah,
Okay,
he is
doesn't
cheating.
matter.
Ah,
Anyway, no problem. But you have to try to make on your own.
Snowman.
What,
Cheater,
beta?
cheater, cheater.
Don't say that,
मैम
beta.
मैं गूगल से नहीं कर रहा। मैम मैं
Then,
गूगल में से नहीं कर रहा।
तो बोल रहा है
okay,
ना मैम, वो किसी बुक में से रीड कर रहा है।
okay, no
अबे
problem,
हो
beta. No
गया भाई, कोई
problem.
बात नहीं।
Okay, no problem, beta. Okay, now that is
मैम
over, right?
95% हो गया चार्जिंग, देखो
अब
Huh?
तेरा या किसका?
हो गया चार्जिंग 95%
किसका?
फोन में।
तेरा या किसका?
मैम के फोन में।
ओए ठीक।
Now we move on to the next.
मैम योर स्क्रीन इज कमिंग अप।
हाँ मैम, आपकी स्क्रीन छोटी दिख रही है।
Now my screen is small.
या
यस
स्क्वायर बॉक्स टाइप।
मैम रिप्रेजेंट करो, मतलब स्टॉप प्रेजेंटिंग करके वापस प्रेजेंट करो तो हो जाएगा।
Yes, beta. Yes.
यस नाउ
यस
इट
मैम,
इज
हो गया।
क्लियर, हो गया हो गया।
क्लियर।
Okay. So, the next word we are going to learn is cheery. What is the word? Cheery. Next word is cheery. Okay.
यस।
Now, cheerful and cheery are almost the same.
चेरी,
Again, it means
आई वांट
happy.
टू ईट चेरी, एग्जांपल बोल दिया।
Okay, that is a fruit. But here, cherry
वो
means
चेरी नहीं।
here it's not cherry, it is cheery. Cherry नहीं है बेटा, cheery.
चेरी मींस
चेरी।
Yes, it is
अबे
cheery.
चेरी,
Not
चेरी।
it is not cherry, beta. It is cheery. Okay.
साहिल पता है चेरी blossom आता है।
यस
Okay. Yes, I know cherry blossom is that shoe polish, right?
या
Okay. That is cherry and this is cheery. Okay.
चेरी।
Hmm. So today we learned again. Can you tell me from the beginning which are the words we learned?
कॉम्प्लिकेटेड।
कंटेंटेड,
Complicated?
चेरी,
No, it's
ना
not complicated.
कॉम्प्लिकेटेड नहीं।
कंटेंटेड आया तो था कंटेंटेड।
Yes, contented. It's not contented. It is contented. It is not contented.
कंटेंटेड।
It is contented. Okay.
यस।
Okay. And then we learned what? Cheerful.
मेरी चेयरफुल।
Uh-huh.
फिर
Then
कौन सा था? मैम फिर से स्क्रीन ब्लैक हो गई आपकी, चली गई।
यस आधी हो गई।
आधी भी नहीं, चली गई।
हाँ, हाफ स्क्रीन नॉट कमिंग।
कमिंग स्क्रीन कमिंग।
ले हाफ स्क्रीन कमिंग।
so we have learned now how many words? We have learned 3 or 4. Now we go to the next
हाँ
one. All of you know this joyful. Okay. Joyful also meaning feeling
जॉयफुल।
joyful meaning feeling, expressing or causing great pleasure or happiness. Okay. When you
And
see
this all I was knowing.
मैम आपकी वॉइस थोड़ी
Pure, joyful,
धीरे आ रही है।
contented.
I'll tell you. I'll just one second. Now I think you can hear me. So joyful meaning happy. Okay, again showing great
Happy.
pleasure.
फीलिंग
Showing great pleasure.
एक्सप्रेसिंग।
Expression is causing great pleasure and happiness.
Okay,
यस।
let me explain. Let me explain. So when you
जॉयफुल तो हम
see
सब बोलते
one
हैं।
second, when you see pizza, what happens? You feel joyful, no? You feel
Yes.
so happy. Everybody loves pizza.
Pizza name. I don't like pizza.
पिज्जा बर्गर।
I like
Burger.
burger. I don't like
मैम
pizza.
हम कहाँ घूमने जाते तब भी ये वर्ड आता है जॉयफुल।
So and reading books is a joyful experience. So
यस।
those who love to read books, for them also.
सॉन्ग।
One second. Reading books is a joyful experience. That is,
यस,
if you are
सिंगिंग सॉन्ग
interested,
ऑल्सो।
if you are interested in reading books, then
इट्स जॉयफुल।
okay. So if you are reading books, it is joyful. Sometimes you like to play cricket. Then for you, playing cricket is a joyful experience.
यस,
Those who
फुटबॉल
like to
साहिल।
do yes, football, draw, then whatever. Boys mostly like games, isn't it? They don't
या
like to read. They don't
Yes.
like to read. But you like to play video games also, correct?
Yes, I like
Ah.
Yes.
game.
So all these are all joyful experiences. What is it? It is a joyful
Joyful and
Joyful.
fulfilling.
experience. Okay, now he recalled his joyful experience at the expedition. Joyful experience of your expedition means when you go out on some purpose. You know, you go out. For example, you are going to say for some science studies. You know, science like you're all traveling from school for some science fair or something. You know, or you're going to the science city, so you're going for an expedition or you're going somewhere in search of something, then it's called an expedition. Okay. So he recalled his joyful experience at the expedition. Suppose you'll have planned to go by ship somewhere, then it is an expedition. So he recalled means he remembered his joyful experience at the expedition. So here joyful also is again happy experience. So all of you would have gone out and you still remember those days when you spent your time with your friends, or you spent your time with your relatives, and you still remember them, that all the joyful moments you had. So when the family gets together, it's a joyful moment, isn't it? It's a joyful moment for all of y'all. So that is a joyful experience. Now the next one is, after listening to a melodious song, she felt joyful. So here again, she was very happy listening to a song, and it was a very happy experience. Suppose you like some song, and you know when the song suddenly comes, you feel so
Yes.
happy. So you feel elated. So it's a joyful
Yes.
experience.
Singing song
And
also joyful.
yes. So melodious also means very sweet. Okay, a very sweet song, very soft and melodious song. Then the meeting between
Yes.
two friends was a joyful one. So when you meet your friend after a long time, or you have a friend somewhere in some other state, and you're going to meet, isn't it? It was a
Hmm.
joyful experience. It's a joyful experience. Has it ever happened with you all? Do you all have friends who you want to
Yes.
meet? You have any friends who you want to meet? You know, after a long time or something, you're going to meet your
Yeah.
friend.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
everybody has this, suppose. So maybe
Hmm.
you've gone out during the vacation and you made friends over there, someone. So you are still in touch with the friends. So again, within the next outing, you plan to meet again. So
My
you're
best
away,
friend is Sahil.
Sahil. Okay. So you want to meet him, no? Do you all meet every day?
स्कूल में दोनों मिलते ही है साहिल.
Okay, okay. But now, since there is lockdown,
Yes.
yes,
तब
you
नहीं
don't
मिले.
name it, no? So for how many months haven't you met? Hmm? For how many months you have not met?
मैम पहले जब स्कूल खुला था ना, 4-5
Hmm?
दिनों तक, तब हम दोनों मिले थे. तब ये लॉकडाउन आ गया, तब नहीं मिले.
Oh, so
साहिल.
you miss,
ये
yeah, so
शेख
you miss,
साहिल हमारा.
okay, so you miss him, right? So this is when you meet him, it's going to be a joyful experience. Okay, so you're
Yes.
going, yeah. So instead of saying,
At
I
school.
was very happy to see Sahil, you can say, I was joyful to meet Sahil. It was a joyful experience, after so many days, after lockdown. It was a joyful experience for me. So now I want somebody to read it for me. Who is going to read? Who is going to read?
एंड मोहम्मद रीड करना है.
Yes, beta. Who's going to read, beta? Somebody has to read. Hmm?
मैम कितने सारे लोग हैं, मोगल मोहम्मद जैद है,
Oh,
सब
Mughal
लोग हैं.
Muhammad Zaid. Yes,
इमरान
beta.
सादी.
Okay, Sadi, you want to please share? I want to read, beta. Okay, if nobody is reading, Sunraj or Sahil, you can read.
ओके.
Hmm.
और joyful meaning feeling, experiencing or causing
Expressing,
great experiencing
expressing or causing
or causing great, what is this one?
pleasure
Great
and happiness.
pleasure and happiness.
Hmm.
Example: reading books is a joyful experience. He
Hmm.
recalled his joyful experience at the
Expedition. Ex-
expedition.
hmm.
After listening to the melodious
Melodious.
song, she felt joyful.
Hmm.
The meeting between two friends was a joyful one.
Yes. So, can anyone give me one sentence with joyful? Can anyone give me one sentence with joyful?
I love cake to eat. Joyful.
Yes, beta. Give me one sentence with joyful. Children, I'm waiting for you to give me one sentence with joyful. See, there are four examples already over here. Can you give me one example? One more example. Hmm?
I play games with joyful.
Yes, you can say that it was a joyful experience playing games with my friends.
Yes, joyful experience playing games with my friends.
Yes. So you can even say I was overjoyed when you meet your friend after a long time. I was overjoyed, or it was a joyful experience. Okay.
Overjoyed, ma'am, meaning?
Overjoyed means मैंने खूब ज़्यादा खुशी थे. I'm very very happy. So I'm over joyful now, over happy, over joyful. So yeah, when you meet your friend after a long time, either you say I had a joyful experience meeting my friend after a long time, or I was overjoyed to see my friend. I was very very happy. Like you can't express, but there was so much of happiness, so much
Happiness
of
अंदर से
yeah, exactly. So you can shows on
कूड़े पर उठ
excitement. The excitement shows on your face. You're waiting to see your friend. You know, it shows on your face. कि आप बहुत देर से वेट कर रहे हो और आप you're going to meet your friend. Okay. Now I think it is already 56. So we will learn the other words. There are how many words? One, two, three, three more words, I think. Okay.
Yeah.
So we'll learn the three words in the next class and then we'll continue with happy idioms. Okay. So we'll
Okay.
continue with that. Okay. So all of you all
Yes.
practice this in your conversation and try to use new words with your friends. Okay. Okay, then
Okay.
all of you okay, all of you all have a nice time. Stay at home. Be careful. Okay, be safe at home.
Hmm.
Okay, hello,
Okay,
bye,
ma'am.
bye,
Bye.
beta. All of you. Did you all enjoy the class?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Thank you, thank you, thank you, beta. Bye, boys.